clusters are different groups of occupations that have similar qualities. Jobs that are included in the same career cluster will often require the similar skill set and knowledge. You are more likely to enjoy related occupations that are in the same career cluster than those that don't. We as a group have very different tastes in career clusters, but we managed to come to a similar conclusion. Some of us were interested in arts and social clusters, and others were interested in the business space. We eventually came to the conclusion that all of us were interested in the business management career cluster.
After this, we research and plan a path to obtain a high-level job within this field. We outline the steps necessary to archive a high-level position in our chosen career. Next, I will mention the steps we must follow in our timeline. Our first step is graduate from our high school, CETIS Universidad. After that, we must apply to an Ivy League university. In this case, we chose Stanford University or Harvard. Then, we'll obtain a job at Apple as a salesperson to start getting to know the company. After we finish our career, we'll acquire a business management degree. During all these years, we must work to get new skills. For example, learn French, read books that will guide us in our path to a high-level leadership role. Take a smart money management course. Study Apple's business model, products, competition, and know the company vision. Next step in our timeline is to obtain a master's in business administration. A step that we consider important is to participate in industry-specific events like Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference. Another step we consider essential is to engage in collaborative projects with professionals in our field and build real relationships and connections with them. After we acquire most wanted skills, we'll be able to aspire to positions of greater responsibility at Apple. For example, Vice President, Chief Design Officer, Chief Financial Officer, and Chief Operating Officer. And finally, our last step is to pursue the CEO position. As group, we know becoming the CEO of Apple is highly competitive, but with a combination of education, experience, and clear vision for the company, we know it's possible to reach our goal.
In this project, we came to the conclusion that career clusters are a great help to be able to choose the path we want to take professionally and opens our perspective of the opportunities we can take in the areas that interest us the most. We learn more about how our skills and interests can help us in various aspects and how our passions are essential to identify our strengths and benefit us in finding a certain career path that utilizes that certain skill set or knowledge.